Hello, this is Ahmed from Hit City, and I'm working here as a store manager for almost 17 years. And the kind of clientage we have is commercial customers, retail customers, dealerships. We do work for City of Toronto, TTC, Toronto Zoo, City of Bradford. So we have all mixed clientage. And the kind of customer we have in the winter time, they have snow plowing, and the same people in the summertime, they buy lawn equipment from us, like tillers, grass cutters. So we have a mixed clientage, and almost our customers are regular customers, and it's a word of mouth. And the way we are in the business, because all these people like the service, and we only focus on the quality and customer retention. So about 5 years ago, we brought Orec products, and once we brought it in, we were amazed by the quality, because our company is very focused on the quality of products. And once we brought this product in, the feedback was amazing. The product quality is unbelievable. Customers keep coming back, and we have to make a big order for that, because there's too much demand for this quality of product. I'm going to talk about Snow Rhino a little bit. This product blows me out. It's amazing. It's unbelievable. It's very compact, easy to load in the back of the truck with the ramps. Even one guy can do it without any problem. Good for the sidewalks, the front of the doors. It can go without any problem. If the snow is slushy, moist, whatever it is, no problem. Snow Rhino can do it without any problem. So the kind of feedback we're getting is all from the customers, not from us. So this is what my customers are telling me. It's amazing, unbelievable quality. And it makes their jobs very easy. Before, they used to have 3 people shoveling snow. Now all they need is a Snow Rhino. That's it. It's a one-stop solution. Once we brought it in, the people buy one, but the next year they buy multiple units, because by the good service and the quality of service, they're adding more units to the family. So it's amazing for the fleet companies who are doing bigger lots, big places. So it can do amazing job. So every company is buying multiple units now. A lot of residential buildings, schools, for their own parking lots, they're buying it, because it's amazing to clean the place, and it doesn't take much space also. So a lot of people who has commercial buildings, condominiums, even schools, they're buying for their own lots. You can go to the tight spaces. You want to turn around to the garbage bin or something, you can go very tight spot, no problem at all. So this thing is amazing. So the Snow Bull is a walk behind, and we do have demo units. And once our commercial guy tried the Snow Bull, you'll be surprised by the scrape of the blade. It's amazing. It can push a lot of snow, and the way it cleans the driveway or the sidewalks is amazing. So that's the quality of a Snow Bull. And I'm telling you guys, the people who bought Snow Bull, they're more adding this product because they're impressed with the quality. The blade can drift in any angle, 15 degree, 30 degree. You can remove the side also, so you can put the snow on one side if you want. Plus it has a scoop already there with the side blades. So you can make a scoop also, and the blade is fully mechanical, can go up, down, left, right. It's amazing. Orec has a brush rover, which is amazing, which has the best quality. And the reason I'm telling you that, because it's very compact. Where tractor cannot go, it can go. Amazing for the parks. Farmers loves it. Any big area, any big property where big grass, saplings, brushes, it's amazing. It can clean without any problem. You'll be surprised the kind of power it has. And plus, the good thing I like about it, it comes in 4-wheel and 2-wheel. So there's both options available. With the 4-wheel, you can go up to 20 degree of slope, and with the 2-wheel, you can go up to 15 degree, which is also very good. So this thing can do miracles. And people who has big properties, big areas, who want cleaning, or even trails, this thing can do magic. It's amazing. So the type of brush it cleans, you can say grass, sapling, even the diameter I'm talking about 2 inches or even less, or 2 inches, no problem. As tall as possible, no worries. It can clean without any problem. So this thing is amazing. If you want to clean big area, big lots, whether you're a farmer, you're a contractor, you have bigger lots or bigger accounts, this is a one-stop solution. Also, the brush rover is very popular with the bigger lots, as I told you guys. This thing, if you are contracted by city and they want you to clean bigger lots, all you need is this product, and it can clean without any problem. Orec has an amazing product, Cyclone Flail Mower. What an amazing product. Good for the farmers, big property owners, landscapers. If you want to clean a bigger area, this product works like a charm, amazing. The good thing about this, it has a mowing deck of 25.6 inches, as well as the front entrance is only 32 inches. So it can go to tight spots. If you have a narrow door, it can go without any problem. It's amazing for cutting brushes, saplings, even 1.5 inch, no problem. So this thing can do miracle for you guys. If you want something compact, doesn't take much space, do the job quick, this is the thing you have to go with. So Cyclone has 38 flail spinning blades, which is amazing. It can chew grass, sapling, brushes, no problem, and it can mulch right away. This thing comes in tracks as well as wheels. The good thing about the tracks, it's very easy to maneuver. It can go to slopes without any problem. You can even add a standing deck with the wheels in the back. It's an option available. You can get it, and you can even stand, so you don't even need to walk. So this thing is perfect. Brake right, it turns right. You have to just brake left, it turns left. It's so easy to move. You don't need to use your muscle and push and this. It's very easy to move. Plus, with the tracks, it can go around any tight spots, slopes, no problem. Especially this thing is so good for the retention ponds. When you're going on the edges, even the water is there on the edge, it can go without any problem. You can clean the pond within no time. It's amazing. So I'm going to talk about Garden Quake by Orec, which is a rear tine tiller. The reason I'm going to mention about this tiller because it's very stable, very balanced as compared to the front tine tillers. So once you're moving it, you will not even feel it, you will not get exhausted because it's so stable, and the way they made it is amazing. And if you're doing big grounds, you're digging, can make amazing spaces. You can start shallow and you can go as deep as you want. So it can do the job pretty easy, quick, and it can make amazing spaces. When it comes to hauling anything like logs, gravel, salt, sand, anything, there's a one-stop solution, which is a Trailblazer by Orec. What an amazing product, compact, it has tracks, it can go to stairs, it can go to slopes. You cannot go wrong with this thing, it's amazing. And this thing has a capacity of 650 pounds, which is lots. Keeping in view the size is very compact, so it can take 650 pounds. Plus it has tracks, so it can go anywhere, even in woods, even in farms, even in construction sites, anywhere. It's amazing. So this thing is a one-stop solution for your summer needs as well as for the winter needs. It is amazing on the snow, it is amazing on the woods, gravel, anywhere. You can take it anywhere. It's amazing. This is a one-stop solution.